Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we will explain you how you can set up Klaviyo in your Shopify store. So let's jump right into it. First, log into your Shopify store and head over to your main dashboard. On the left side, click on Apps and Sales Channels. This is where you manage any apps connected to your store. Next, click on Shopify App Store. This will open up a marketplace where you can search for different tools. In the search bar, type Klaviyo. Email marketing and essence, then click on the Klaviyo app from the results. Now go ahead and click the Install button. You'll be asked to confirm one more time, so click Install again to continue. If this is your first time using Klaviyo, you'll be asked to fill in some basic info about your store like your business name and contact details. Just make sure the information is correct. Finally, click on Get Started, and you'll be taken straight into your Klaviyo dashboard where you can begin setting up campaigns and automations. And that's it. You've now successfully connected Klaviyo to your Shopify store.